Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In our previous video, we showed you how we can handle this information which is on the right of the analytics, that is last 48 hours, right? This is very important thing. It means which tells you in last 48 hours how many views on a particular day. You know? So this is a part of a real-time indicators, and th this tells you that how much views uh, are increasing or decreasing for a particular set of 48 hours, right? Every day, on every day, uh, for the last 48 hours, it keeps the track of it, right? So what we did in our previous session, uh, we downloaded all the information uh, into the Excel from the dashboard, right? And we wrote a code in here in the activate worksheet activate event, in which first of all it deletes you uh, the current sheet at first 10 rows, okay? And the next yeah, this is the new thing we have done, that we also automated this information. You don't have to write this formula, right? All you need to do is anytime you just paste the information which you downloaded from the YT Studio dashboard download procedure, and then paste in the table data, whatever it is. The they will come to the proper columns. Of course, this will be blank, okay? Even if it gets blank like this, it is blank, right? What will it do? As soon as you click in here, it will get back. You see, you will find these are back, okay? So just in the case, as this is coming, this is self generating. It is appearing automatically. Similarly, these information will also get automatically, which these two inform. The first is the summation of the previous 48 hours, right? Uh, yeah, on 10th, if we are here, so the total of previous 48 hours are the B3 and B4, right? So this is B3 and B4. Similarly, this way, and it is copied, right? So this is being done automatically, and a countif is also necessary. A countif formula counts how many days have already appeared in the three best ways. If it is not equal to zero, if the total is not equal to zero, it means it is already reported. So the system will ignore it because it is already reported in here. So since this is not reported, that's why it is coming zero. And if you take the sum of it, you see it is only one uh, thing is coming. So you can find it in the values and directly go to that value. Say find next. So this is the thing which is appearing. Yeah, this is the thing which is appearing. That is 887, right? And 29th of November to 2023. 887, 29th of November. That's all. Okay. Otherwise, it will show zero. So this is a logic which I am presenting you with the effective use of these two logical conditions and formula. You can work out the top three best plays, right? At the moment, it is coming only top one, right? So how to bring the top three? Now it's easy since we have set up all these things. Now with the help of these three, so all we need to do is uh, we we write a procedure for the row 3, and then we write a procedure for the row 4. So you will have the top three analysis. So I capital first thing we do is we bring this. Let me bring it all together. Okay. So first thing is that what it does, it in the B3, it is going to put the B2, means 887, because there may be multiple figures, means same figure with multiple days. There may be, right? So that's why we have chosen the 887 to come here. Let's say. So it is going here. Now, what date it is? It has to come here. So you need to write a logic, right? First of all, it will check if there is some other day, if the same number of views were there or not. Okay, so it will carry on doing it until the in column A has got means gets a date in here. Okay, as soon as the column A not B, A. Column A is 3. Column cell A3 is remain blank. As soon as something comes on the A3, it means the job is done and it will exit, and that's it. Okay, so it will exit the do and it will right. So what it will do is okay. So this is something which we have to find, that here we will write if an if condition is required. If A is blank, if this is equal to blank, then we should do this, and if okay, yeah, this was one thing I forgotten to enter. Okay, so the logic is that for the second highest or other highest, you would say, if the item is the same. Okay, well, normally it is very remote that the both of the these have the same number of views. So, well, but we have to cater it so that the program does not backfire. Okay, so let's run it. What it will do, it will check. It will keep on checking that which of the number is looked up and you have the date in here, right? Okay, so let's see we get the second number or not. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now it is doing it, it's jumped, and it has brought the 30th of November was the day when it has 683. Let's check it. Let's check it from here. We do the 40 filter, data filter on the 30th. On the 30th, yeah, 38th November. Sorry, yeah, on the 30th November. This is October. Yeah, this is November. Okay, on the 30th November, it is saying that you have the value 683 for the last 48 hours, right? And that's what it is doing, right? Okay, and you can also check from here that the topmost was 887 and 683 was the second. The next one would come 647. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, 683 it has brought. What looks very fascinating, mashallah. Huh? The next is let's do the third one. The third one is also very similar, and in which we will replace B4. Control X, and this is for the number 3, and in which we will again write if the it is blank, then it should uh, reduce 1 from the, otherwise it should not. And if yeah, yeah, I have corrected this thing since I made the copy of it, so it is supposed to be A4 uh, because this is the fourth row which we are querying, and that's why we copied it from here and we forgot to put it make a correction in here. It is for this loop, it will be checking A4. If it is blank, then subtract 1 from the B4, otherwise do not do that. Okay. So let's do it again. So it is, yeah. So see, it quickly comes the 3 things there. If you see it again, right? If you remove everything and you come back to this sheet, it takes you to the desired output. So the topmost is 887 on the 48, last 48 hours total. That was on 28th of November. The second was 683. That's on 30th November. And 647 was the third one. That was on the 9th of November. Right. This is how it is done. And you can further check in that what were the videos, which were the videos involved in these top performance. Thank you very much for watching.